Social media, the world we built ourselves to connect with each other, a world where everything is available at a single click. But today, same people are talking about quitting social media, talking about deleting it, Reddit, Quora, Twitter, everywhere you will find people writing, deleting social media changed my life. I stopped comparing my life with others. On YouTube, there are thousands of videos telling you social media is controlling your brain or destroying your life. But today, I'm not going to say any of that. I'm just going to share my experience, how I learned to control it. Because truth is, you already know what social media is doing to you. So, what's the real problem? The problem is very simple. Life moves too fast, and before you know it, the day is gone. And listen carefully. The problem is not social media. Problem is not your phone. The problem is not Instagram, Facebook, or social sites. The problem is people have realized their time is slipping away. And if the time slips away, they will be left behind. In today's world, time is more important than money. That realization, that fear is what makes people quit social media. And I quit because of that same fear too. Now the question is, where does this fear come from? Let me explain it in simple words. There are two kinds of people. Category 1, the ones who accept their life. They studied, they got a job, built a family, traveled, enjoyed a lot, and they are satisfied. That fear never really develops in them. And honestly, that's a good life too. 90% of people fall into this category. Now, category 2. These are the people who simply cannot accept their life. Why? Because their dreams are bigger, a lot bigger. And when they feel time slipping away, a fear starts growing inside them. What if the time runs out and I never achieve my goals? And that fear forces them to disconnect from social media, from people, from distractions. And I was in this category too. Now you might be thinking, why don't I feel this fear? Simple. Either you have accepted your life or you have not really tried to understand yourself yet. And if you haven't, there is a solution. Let me tell you what I did. January 2026, I had a realization my time was slipping away. So I took a break of 3 to 4 days. I left the city, went to the mountains. You can go anywhere, somewhere nobody knows you. Take a diary with you, stay there, observe people, go for a morning walk, and in the early morning, sit somewhere quiet and ask yourself, am I living the life I actually want? If the answer is no, then ask the next question, what needs to change? Because if you don't do this, you will keep repeating the same routine you have been living all along. That's what I did. I completely disconnected from social media for 3 to 4 days. And when I came back, I decided I don't need this anymore. Now, listen to the real struggle. The first month, it felt strange. I had so much time and I did not even know what to do with it. Second and third month was the hardest part. Loneliness, boredom, feeling alone. Some days were just bad, and normally, what do? We pick up the phone, open Instagram, and start scrolling and get a little dopamine hit. But I did not have that option. So, what did I do? I shifted my dopamine. I started walking from 1 kilometer to 4 kilometers, joined yoga class, and became consistent. And when I started seeing results, that's when I realized this was all so easy. We just never tried. Today, I think I'm growing so fast that I only have one regret. I wish I had done this earlier. Now, listen to the most important part. If you want to grow in life, you need to activate your beast mode, a mode where even socializing sometimes feel pointless. You will have to create distance from some people, even friends, because sometimes for growth, cutting off is necessary. Oscar Wilde said, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So if you want to grow fast right now, start walking alone. Remove distraction, remove social media, remove people who waste your time. And most importantly, understand yourself first. Do you fall in category 2? If yes, then start working on your dreams. Because if you don't work on your dreams, then what's the point of dreaming at all? Now the decision is in your hand. Quit social media or transform your life. If you want change, then comment change right now. Because the moment you write it now, you accept that you are ready. Whatever comes next, you will handle it. Just you need to recognize yourself first. If you like the video, share it with the people who are stuck in the same loop. My name is Ankita Khandelwal and this is my channel for being better. See you in next video. Thank you.